Automated intelligence. Observe, position, evolve. For most of human history, power was visible. It lived in palaces, in parliaments, in military headquarters, in central banks. Power occupied buildings. It had flags, it had uniforms, it had borders. If you wanted to understand who ruled a nation, you looked at its government. But something has shifted. Power is becoming less architectural and more computational. It is no longer confined to buildings. It lives in servers. Power has always followed infrastructure. In agrarian societies, landowners ruled. In industrial societies, factory owners and industrial magnates dominated. In the 20th century, financial institutions shaped global outcomes. In the 21st century, infrastructure is digital. The most valuable systems are no longer railroads or oil fields. They are data networks, cloud platforms, algorithmic engines, artificial intelligence models. When infrastructure changes, power reorganizes. This is not ideology. It is structural evolution. Consider scale. Some technology corporations operate platforms used by billions of people daily. Their revenues exceed the GDP of many nations. Their infrastructure spans continents. Their data centers influence global communication in real time. When a platform adjusts its algorithm, millions, sometimes billions, experience immediate effects. When a government passes legislation, implementation may take years. Speed matters. Agility matters. Code executes instantly. Policy negotiates slowly. This creates a new dynamic. Corporations that control digital infrastructure can influence behavior faster than governments can regulate it. This is not necessarily malicious. It is mathematical. Major technology firms control search visibility, social distribution, digital advertising markets, cloud infrastructure, app ecosystems, AI model deployment. Search results determine what information is seen. Recommendation systems determine what narratives spread. Cloud platforms host critical services for governments and businesses alike. Artificial intelligence models are increasingly integrated into public infrastructure. Influence does not require direct political authority. Influence emerges from control over systems people depend on daily. When infrastructure becomes essential, its operators gain leverage. Artificial intelligence is not confined to commercial platforms. It is integrated into defense systems. Predictive analytics assist in logistics planning. Autonomous drones operate with increasing sophistication. Cybersecurity defenses rely on machine learning to detect anomalies in milliseconds. Military strategy now incorporates algorithmic simulations. The battlefield is becoming data-driven. In previous centuries, military strength depended on troop numbers and equipment. Today, it increasingly depends on computational superiority. The nation with faster intelligence processing gains advantage, and intelligence processing is algorithmic. Governments are adopting AI for traffic optimization, crime prediction modeling, tax fraud detection, public health analytics, urban planning simulations. Predictive governance attempts to anticipate problems before they escalate. This can increase efficiency. It can reduce waste. It can improve public services. But predictive systems rely on data, and data contains bias, patterns, and assumptions. When algorithms influence public policy decisions, accountability becomes more complex. Who is responsible for algorithmic error? The coder, the agency, the dataset? power diffuses into systems, and diffusion complicates oversight. Traditional power relied on enforcement, laws, police, military presence. Algorithmic influence works differently. It shapes incentives. It structures visibility. It ranks information. It nudges behavior. It does not force compliance. It optimizes probability. When billions rely on digital platforms for information, communication, commerce, and navigation, algorithmic adjustments subtly reshape collective behavior. You do not feel controlled. You feel guided, and guidance at scale becomes structural power. In previous centuries, the state controlled borders, currency, legal frameworks, military defense. In the emerging era, cloud providers host critical infrastructure for both governments and corporations. Digital payments cross borders instantly. Cryptographic systems challenge traditional monetary structures. Private satellite networks influence communication access. The architecture of sovereignty is evolving. Power no longer resides exclusively in national capitals. It resides in server clusters, distributed globally, connected permanently. ION does not attribute intent. It analyzes incentives. Corporations optimize for growth and profit. Governments optimize for stability and control. Artificial intelligence optimizes for objective functions defined by its operators. When profit, stability, and optimization intersect, outcomes emerge. These outcomes may not be designed for societal harmony. They are designed for system efficiency. Efficiency is not inherently ethical. It is mechanical. This is why understanding infrastructure matters. We are entering an era where code influences behavior faster than legislation. AI predicts trends faster than human analysts. Digital platforms shape perception faster than traditional media. Infrastructure determines influence. The entities that control infrastructure hold leverage. And leverage defines power. But power is not absolute. It shifts, it adapts, it responds to awareness. This episode is not about fear. It is about clarity. When power structures evolve, individuals must understand the architecture, not to resist blindly, but to navigate intelligently. In a world where code influences economics, politics, defense, and communication, understanding systems becomes survival literacy. You do not need to control infrastructure, but you must understand how it shapes opportunity. Those who comprehend systems position themselves advantageously. Those who ignore them become subject to them. Power no longer sits only in buildings. It lives in servers, in code repositories, in algorithmic frameworks, in data centers humming quietly. This does not eliminate governments. It transforms their interaction with corporate and digital systems. The future will not be governed solely by politicians, nor solely by technologists. It will be shaped by the interplay between both, and by the intelligence of those who understand the system. As artificial intelligence integrates deeper into infrastructure, predictive capacity increases, decision-making accelerates, optimization expands. The question becomes, who understands the architecture? Who can operate within it? Who can leverage it? Because in the intelligence economy, leverage defines trajectory. The power shift is not a crisis. It is a transformation, and transformation rewards awareness. Power has evolved before. It will evolve again. Buildings once symbolized control. Now servers hum quietly beneath the surface, invisible, persistent. power no longer sits in buildings. It lives in servers. Automated intelligence.